Hi, Rocco DeLuca, Detectable Warning Products, here with some additional information on polyurethane detectable warning panels. Fact, they are the most flexible and versatile panel on the market today. And now most of the manufacturers, at least the ones that we're using mostly, are manufacturing them with a self-adhesive back, which makes them extremely quick to install. There are extremely limited manufacturers of this product. There's only a few out there that I know of. So that should make the prices less competitive, but they're not. They're pretty competitive with composite panels. Some of the pros with it, it's an easy install. In our first 5 years of business back in 2002, the first several years, we were the exclusive distributor of that product in all of the New England states, New York and New Jersey, and we were doing installs, so I know how fast. I personally did thousands of square feet of installation. There is no other product that would install faster. And when I started, we were using a two-part epoxy that you were mixing on site, and then we were still installing when they came up with the pre-adhesive back, which is almost like an ice and water barrier, and you just peel the paper off the back and put it in place. So that's a big benefit. One of the problems are, if you are in a colder weather area, they're easily pulled up if they get hit with a plow, even a shovel. So installation is important, making sure that you are going by the manufacturer's instructions so that you don't get charged with any lack of performance on those panels. One of my tips from you, two tips. Number one, that when you install them, make sure that the surface is absolutely dust free. We would broom them, blow them off, and then have like a damp cloth to dry wipe any dust off the surface. If any dust gets between the concrete and that pre-adhesive back, it will not stick. Secondly, the manufacturer will tell you 50 degrees and rising for the installation temperatures. I would tell you 70 degrees plus. And we actually made it a habit of even blowtorching the concrete, even when it was around 70, to make sure we had a warm surface. And if you'll see, even in the manufacturer's instructions, they're telling you in cooler temperatures, heat the concrete to 95 degrees. So that's the biggest, most important thing that you can do with that, is make sure it's dust free and that you have warm temperatures when you're doing the installation. If you have any other questions on this product, again, feel free to call me at 401-293-4388 or text me at 401-473-5584, or as always, email me. And if you email me, I can send you attachments and any documents you need. And that's rocco@dwpnow.com.